there's this broad story in Scripture that is necessary and principled for Christians living in the world today. Economics is about the study of how human beings make decisions in the face of scarcity, right? We have scarce resources, but we have scarce knowledge. We don't know everything we need to know to make the best decision, right? And so we're always economizing on information, we're economizing on resources, we're economizing on time. So economics is the study of how human beings make decisions, so we need to understand human beings. So what are those truths? I think Christians here really have something profound to say. Biblical prosperity is mutual. That's important for us to think about when we're agitating for different policies, different types of government, different types of economies, right? So I think that, kind of people like to talk about all those things, and there's nothing wrong with that, but I think it needs to be grounded in our understanding of Scripture. It gives us the requirements for human flourishing, and it tells us about both our capabilities as human beings and our constraints. And those things are necessary to understand before we kind of agitate for any particular type of economic system, because it has to be predicated on those truths. Because every minute, every moment of our lives matters, and those are opportunities for us to be good stewards and to bring God glory through our work. What is the point? It's human flourishing. That's the point.